Hey guys, so I just went to the post office, finally picked up my Chargespeed lip that I ordered from Russia. I ordered it on the 29th of January, so it took it, I don't know, a month and some change to get here, which isn't really bad. I kind of expected that. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and we'll see the quality of it and see if it was worth the money. But here it is. It hardly fit in the car. Let's get this thing out. Also, sorry for my voice. I got a cold again. I have been cursed. Can't talk right now. I've been cursed. I think I've gotten a cold 4 times in the last 2 months. So, packaging isn't bad. It's kind of like, you know, beat up. The cardboard was kind of beat up, but not bad. It looks like past the cardboard, the other like packaging is pretty good, I think. I don't really know. Also, I don't know what to expect regarding the quality of this lip. But I'm gonna be happy with it anyways, because for those of you who've been following me since the beginning of, well, the Saab days, that's impressive, because that was a long time ago. But the Subaru days, I've wanted a lip for so long, and I'd go back and forth, and in fact I bought a P1 lip, a P1 replica on eBay, so it was like 50 bucks. I decided not to put it on because I wanted to get it painted, I wanted to get it mounted right, so I chickened out of that and ended up selling it. So this is a big deal, really excited. I have a guy who's gonna paint it, but yeah, I'll stop lollygagging and start opening up boxes. This thing looks rough. Oh, wow. Here it is. Sick. Damn. Oh, yes. So right off the bat, I'm seeing some defects already. I mean, it's obviously not going to be perfect for the price I got it at. But it's pretty good, honestly. Like, the lines are straight. Alright, I'm impressed. I paid, I think, $250 for the lip. Yeah, I paid $250 for lip. Not bad, honestly, considering it's pretty straight. I'm not trying to fool anybody. I'm buying replicas. I'm not buying authentic parts. Considering the fact that the lips get beat up. It just happens. Especially while this is still my daily. So I'm totally content. So obviously it's a very, not very flexible. Can't remember the name of the material it is, but I don't want to force it, so it'll break. What I'm gonna do is have this body shop that I know of mount them. I'm gonna respray the front bumper. He's gonna install the lip on the front bumper, and that's how I'm gonna pick it up, as one piece. The reason I'm doing that is because I don't trust myself to install it. I mean, I could, but I'd rather just have a professional do it. Kind of tired of doing things on my car myself. And I don't really have the time, to be honest. Full-time student, part-time job. It's kind of intense. But yeah, let's check it out. So it mounts, this piece kind of tucks underneath of the fog light. This piece is above, like inside of this little cavity. This is the piece that doesn't want to come up, and I really don't want to scratch my car trying to do it. But this will normally hook in behind here, and I assume he'll mount it somehow, maybe using the existing holes here with just like a new bracket or something. And then same with the side. So it looks like the way you'd mount it is focusing solely on these ends and using that to install it, which is a little scary. So maybe he'll do something in here. So it looks like they have little pre-drilled, it's so dark, hard to see, sorry about that, but there's like a little hole that looks like they're suggesting where you should put it, here and here. Honestly, leave it up to him. I don't care if he drills into this bumper. I mean, like, look how rough this is. Not sure if you can see that, but it's just spider webby. That's just gone, and that was like it when I bought it. But I'm very excited to get this front bumper resprayed and this added. I think it's really gonna change the front of the car, and it's been a long time coming. So yeah, sorry again about not having much content. Full-time student, part-time job. Haven't really had much time to get out and do stuff. I do have a few videos waiting to be edited. It's finals week right now, so I just kind of where I'm at. But very excited about this lip. I had to record an unboxing, even though I really should be studying right now. I'm sick, so I don't feel good, but I think I'm gonna go edit this video and upload it, and then get to studying. But yeah, thanks Russia, appreciate it.